Welcome to the fifth and last course of the first chapter of the Smart Data class, Nighttime Light Trends. In this short course, you will compute and visualize the difference and therefore trend of nighttime lights since 1991. After importing the basic packages and defining the map command, a function createTimeBand follows. We can use it in the next command line as a function for the data query by using the system's current time, taking its year, and subtracting it from 1991. Now, while defining the collection, we include not only the dataset for nighttime lights, but also the function for the calculation for the trend. The final command adds the map layer and sets the parameters for the visualization.